Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So I wanted to make a really quick high protein dessert for Valentine's Day, and I came up with this while I was walking to the grocery store because I was thinking, should I just make some chocolate covered strawberries? And I thought, why don't I make something that's a little more high protein, something more satiating, and with those flavors. So I came up with this chocolate strawberry cottage cheese cheesecake recipe. They are made in a blender. They come together really quickly. We're using 2 ramekins, so again, perfect for 2 people. You can double the recipe if you want something for 4. We're using melted chocolate, but you can use cocoa powder. I'll let you know how much to use later on in the recipe. Cottage cheese, any type that you love will work here. We're using 1 egg and frozen strawberries that I thawed for, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then I just chopped them up and then just added them to the ramekins. It's so good. They're so good. I actually had, because I was testing the recipe, I had half of a ramekin for breakfast this morning, and they're really good. So I think you guys are really gonna love this recipe. And again, easy. It comes together in less than 30 minutes from prep to bake. The only thing is that you have to wait about an hour for them to be refrigerated because cheesecake just tastes better when it's cold. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. And before we get to the recipe, I just want to give you guys a thank you for supporting this channel. And this has been so awesome for me, and I love doing this every week for you, and it challenges me every week, and this is my passion. This is something that I really love, and I want to just say thank you for your support. So let's learn how to make these really delicious chocolate strawberry cottage cheese cheesecakes. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to grease 2 ramekins and place them on a baking sheet for easy transfer. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. You will need 1 cup of cottage cheese. This is 2% lactose free. 1 large egg. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can use any sweetener you like. This is a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips that I am going to melt. This is a 1/4 cup of chopped strawberries. 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. We're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of espresso powder, instant espresso, and a pinch of good quality salt. We are going to grab our blender. This is my NutriBullet, and I'm going to add my cottage cheese, my 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Again, use any sweetener you like. 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. This is Sassy Kathy's vanilla. And a 1/4 teaspoon of instant espresso. If you don't have it, you don't have to add it. And a pinch of good quality salt. And our melted chocolate. If you don't want to melt the chocolate, I would add 2 tablespoons of good quality cocoa powder. We're going to blend until it's smooth. Once the batter is ready, we're going to evenly distribute it in our ramekins. You could add some extra chocolate chips in here if you like. And I'm going to evenly distribute the strawberries. And I'm just going to add 2 slices of strawberries on each to almost resemble a heart. And we're ready to bake. 350, I would say 25 to 30 minutes until it's just set. After about 30 minutes, a little jiggle in the center is okay. We want to cool this down for about 20 minutes, and we want to refrigerate a minimum of 1 hour. Overnight is best. Enjoy, are chocolate, strawberry, cottage cheese cheesecakes. They are creamy. They are the perfect combination of chocolate and strawberry. A great high protein snack, dessert, or breakfast. They're delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these chocolate strawberry cottage cheese cheesecakes, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to